So something that we're seeing here is FTX. Will FTX liquidate $3.4 billion in Bitcoin and crypto? It's in Bitcoin and crypto. It's not 3.4 billion in Bitcoin. The headline is a little bit misleading. But will they liquidate 3.4 billion in crypto? And it says they have $268 million in Bitcoin, 90 million in Ethereum. Those are the kinds of assets that if they dump could drag down crypto. I wouldn't worry about them dumping Dogecoin or Aptos or Polygon. But it says that FTX bankruptcy exchange is slated to appear in Delaware bankruptcy court on Wednesday, September 13th to seek approval for the liquidation of $3.4 billion in Bitcoin and crypto assets. Okay. So people are spooked. I think maybe that's why we're getting that downside action in Bitcoin right now. People are scared that FTX is going to liquidate. What is the Bitcoin price right now? $25,122. So, from what I've seen, from my experience in crypto, I've never, these things never play out really to the downside. I mean, the downside is what we're experiencing now. I don't think there's going to be a dump in anticipation and then a dump on the news sort of thing. You have buy the rumor, sell the news for good news, and probably sell the rumor, buy the news for bad news, right? Like, this is the rumor. This is when the sell-off is. I think by the time it actually happens, it'll be priced in because anybody's selling based on that. It's not the liquidity in and of itself. It's probably not the 300 million Bitcoin that's really would dump the price. It's everyone freaking out, that 300 million is going to dump. So they dump their Bitcoin, and then that leads to billions, sort of this cascade effect. But everyone that's selling based on it is probably selling now. They're selling the rumor and then maybe buy the news. I wouldn't imagine, based on the forward-looking markets, the theory that markets are forward-looking, I wouldn't imagine that the actual sell-off is going to do anything because the news already hit. That's the take. Based on my gut instinct and past experiences, usually on the news of potential bad news, then that's when things sell off. But on the actual bad news, and same thing with the upside. When there's news of an ETF, it's bullish. When there was news of the CME of Bitcoin being listed on the CME, it was bullish. And then once it got listed, that was the top. Same thing with Coinbase IPO. All those things. Probably it's baked in the cake right now. It's too late. I think. And yeah. And Bitcoin's still at 25K. So that's another indicator that the crypto market has bottomed, I think, in my opinion. I think the crypto market has bottomed because, we're still 10K. We're still 50% above the bottom of 15,500, and we're still $10,000 above the local low for Bitcoin, which was 15,500. Bad news after bad news after bad news, and we're still holding up so strongly. The market is oversold. The crypto market is oversold. That's your news. The crypto market is oversold. Shorting right now, you're an idiot, in my opinion. Not the greatest idea when we're down so much with so much bad news. But that's just my opinion. Okay? So not financial advice. Do your own research. But I think